Have we turned a corner here?
Well, Matt, that is a question. But if you do look at the daily number of cases, the daily number of new cases, that would signal, at the very least, the outbreak is slowing. There are a lot of people out there who actually look at that and not the number of deaths because, well, frankly, there's a lag, unfortunately, between someone catching the coronavirus and dying from it. So it's best to look at how many people are sick with new cases on a daily basis. And that has slowed. Having said that, I would not say that you're going to see this crisis, of course, be healed over the space of just weeks. Today, we have a report in the Italian media that is suggesting that the lockdown in Italy will be further extended until May 4th. Now, just very quickly, when you look at the situation in Spain, which is the other big focus point in Europe, you had a horrible week last week, a record number of deaths, but the numbers are improving in Madrid, and that is a focus point. The government saying they do see signals that the numbers have become stable.
Yeah, of course, we watch the infections, although very aware of the way that those infection numbers can be changed by testing policy over time and between jurisdictions. Let me ask you about what the ECB is doing, though, here, Maria, and their asset purchase programme. Any latest news lines on that?
So we did have data on that, and what you're seeing is that the European Central Bank is very active on the bond market. They bought a record number of debt last week. That total went up by 40 billion euros, and that probably explains the reason why you're seeing the bond yields in both Italy and Spain in a week that was horrible in number of cases and deaths stay so stable. The European Central Bank is very much in the market, is very active in there. And look, it's a total spectacular U-turn, I would say, from the policy that we've heard from the central bank, where Christine Lagarde said, my job is not necessarily to bring down those yields. But if you look at the data and you look at the market reaction, that is exactly what the European Central Bank is doing at this point.